Hello and welcome to another vlog. This is the last vlog that I shot in 2023 and this one is from Nashik. I'm in Nashik. My dad has his school friends get together. So my dad did his school from Nandurbar, which is a small town in north of Maharashtra. Durgabhai Raghuvanshi High School Nandurbar, batch of 1980. We welcome you. This is what it means. School friends gathering after a very long time. So of course it started with them greeting each other and also trying to relate what each one of them looked like 48 years back. After a lot of giggles, it was time for introductions. Of course everyone knew each other, but here everyone spoke about their journey since graduating from school and where they are now.
Ajay Vikhankar मी तलाठी कॉलनीत राहायचो दररोज शाळेमध्ये जाताना त्यामुळे आज सर्व भेटलेले आहेत त्यामुळे खूपच आनंद होतोय.
One common thing I noticed from all introductions was how every single person stressed on how fast life can be and how important it is to live in the moment and have fun.
For bringing him here, and I'm also glad that I'm here to witness this event.
So after introductions, we had lunch for the much needed energy for the activities that were to be done after. So lunch ke baad, it was time for some games that were played 48 years back. These are not just any games, but games that these guys played as children. First, we had Vitti Dandu or Gulli Danda, which is one of the oldest Indian games. The aim of the game is to hit the smaller stick with the bigger one so that it goes the farthest distance. Similar games like spinning tires, flying kites, marbles were played. It was great for everyone as it travelled back in time to 1970s. And for later tonight, we've got DJ night. We've got the speakers over here. I'm going to have a great time seeing my dad and his friends dance on songs. Hello DJ, what's up man? How are you?
Fine man, how are you?
Good. So friends from 1980 batch of Nandurbar. Having a mehfil over here. Hello. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 grown-up kids from 1980. Cheers.
And for this beautiful, handsome person, I would like to sing one song. Oh, mere dil ke chain, chain aaye mere dil ko dua kijiye. Oh, mere dil chain, chain aaye mere dil ko dua kijiye.
And who said only youngsters can have all the fun? I saw by far the craziest dance moves here. How I wish I could see more of these dance moves when I go clubbing. It was super fun to see my dad dance like no one was there, living life like a 10-year-old kid. Next, we had karaoke, and when it's karaoke time, your boy knows that it's his time to shine. And reunion is going like a bash. All the 57-year-olds have really danced a lot and also sang a lot to the karaoke. Now we are going to have a cake cutting ceremony. The cake cutting ceremony was for everyone. So 30 people, 30 birthdays for the past 45 years. So that's a cake for 1,350 birthdays. That's crazy. And by now, the party was clearly getting out of hand as these guys decided to do a fashion show. This was too funny. By now, it was midnight. In spite of having started the day at 6 AM, everyone had their energies high as we played card games. This game is called Culture that has been ideated and built by my very own sister. We'll definitely hear more about this game very soon. The reunion has come to an end. Great fun. All 57-year-old kids had a great time dancing, singing, drinking. We also had a fashion show yesterday. So overall good time. But now we are heading back. Abhi group photo वगैरह होगा. We'll head back.
Shiv Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj ki jai.
So this reunion taught me some things. Life is going to be hard. Everyone will go their own ways. But no matter how old you get, there is always a kid inside you. and it is your job to not let this race of life kill the kid inside you. It was so good to see small kids in these oldies. It made me a little sad as I realized how ruthless time can be and how it passes by so fast without you realizing it. So wherever you are and whatever you're doing, take some time off, connect with your childhood friends, spend some time with your loved ones, and remember to live life every single day. So yes, I think that's all from this video. This was a video that was very close to my heart. If you like this video, let me know in the comments below. And that's all from 2023. I'll see you in 2024. And you know what to do. Do like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.